Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Kanu Sir, and I'm your teacher on Kanu, and today I have come with a new technique today, and just because of it is Saturdays, so on Saturdays I have said you before I will be doing something new than the usual videos. So the today's topic is let's go left. So what is here we are trying to do is to add and to subtract from the left side. Normally, basically, students are taught or students are explained to subtract the numbers or to add the numbers from the right side. But today we will go and we'll try it by the left side. So let us take the example of 12 minus 10. Okay, I will do first addition of numbers first. So in the addition of these two numbers, basically we'll go from right and we come to the left. But now here we'll go from left and go and in the right. But how to do it? You can see that the first one is this term comes in ones and here it comes in tens. So you have to go from tens now. So 1 and 2 is here will be 10 plus 10 is 20 and 2 plus 0 is 2. Another number 26 plus 13. Then you can see here 20 plus 10 will be 30 and 6 plus 3 will be 9. Very simple. You may have said that these numbers are very easy. Either it can be done from the left or it can be done from the right. The answer comes easily. So there is no problem. But let us take such numbers where you take carryover and you feel difficult while putting the carryover to the next side and it becomes a complex way. Let us make another example, that is 27 plus 38. So in this case you can see in the tens number there is 20 and 30. Then 20 plus 30 you will get 50. Then you keep in your mind the value is 50 and 7 plus 8 you will get 15. So 50 plus 15 you will directly can write 65. So this way we go to the left to right. Another way you can write 36 plus 57. Then in here what can we do? 30 plus 50 is 80 and 6 plus 7 is 13. So 80 plus 13 you will get 93. So let us take one more example. 47 plus 67. Again the carryover problem here it is. So mostly we do carryover, 7 plus 7 4 and 1 goes carryover, and we usually used to do from right to left. Now let us go from left to right. 60 plus 40 or 40 plus 60 is 100 and 7 plus 7 14. So 114. So this is the way, easy method while going from left to right. Now let us take a 3-digit number and try the addition. So for the 3-digit number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 plus. Now the numbers are in ones, tens and hundreds. Then how to do this? It is in the same way we did in the 2-digit numbers. Now you can see here 200 plus 500 is 700. 30 plus 60 is here 90 and 4 plus 5 is 9. And you may say again there is no problem of carryover, so it is easy to add here. So let us take the problem of carryover now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus. Now let us take the carryover problem here again. That is 4 plus 7 or 400 plus 700 is 1100. 50 plus 80 is 130. 6 plus 9 is 15. Then you will understand here 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. So still we have gone from left to right. Let us take another example of going left to right. 2, 4, 7, 1, 3, 8 plus. Let us take first hundreds. 200 plus 100 is 300. 40 plus 30 is 70. 7 plus 8 is 15 and 1 carryover will be 85. Or you may think that I have gone from right to left. Once again let us do this. 200 plus 100, 300. 40 plus 30, 70 and 8 plus 7 15. 70 plus 15 85. Then we have written 85 here. So let us take one more example for 3-digit number. 5 8 9. The bigger numbers. 6 7 3 plus 500 plus 600 1100. We'll write here 1100. 80 plus 70 150. And 9 plus 3 will be 13. 0 0 0. Then we'll get 1 2 6 3. 1 2 6 3. And hence the addition from left to right is also possible and easy, because we always keep doing from right to left and we'll have a problem of carryover. Here while going from left to right, we'll never have a problem of carryover. We can simply multiply in an easy form. Now let us try to subtract the numbers and see from left to right. Now in the subtraction here, what can we do? Let us take a simple numbers 23 minus 12, and let us go from left to right. 20 minus 10 10. 3 minus 2 1. And you may say it is very easy, sir. We could have done from right also. The answer could come easily because there is no problem of carryover. One more time let us take 45 minus 23. 40 minus 20 20. 5 minus 3 is 2. It's still easy. Then let us take the carryover digit. 72 minus 58. Then how to go from left to right here? Let us take the tens digit from the left side. 70 minus 50 you will get 20. 2 minus 8 is a carryover problem, so we will write here directly 2. The number to be divided 2 and minus 8. Then 22 minus 8 easily you can write 14. And hence the solution is here. So from left to right we can try without taking the headache of carryover. Once again, 51 minus 29. Then 50 minus 20 you will get 30. And 1 minus 9 is not possible, so we will drop down them down. 1 minus 9. So 31 minus 9 you will get 22. Hence we did it from left to right. Let us take one more example. 46 minus 38. The carryover problem for us. So 40 minus 30 is 10 and 6 and 8 is impossible. For carryover it may go, so we will write as it is. And now 16 minus 8 is 8. So and hence the answer is 8. Isn't it simple? Now let us try for 3 digits. I hope it is interesting for you. Let us go for 3 digits. 2 3 2 minus 1 2 0. 200 minus 100 is 100. 30 minus 20 is 10. 2 minus 0 is 2. You may still again say, sir, it is a simple one. We could have done from the right to left. There is no problem of carryover. Then let us take the carryover problem then. 2 4 7 minus 1 2 8. 200 minus 100 is 100. 40 minus 20 is 20. And 7 and 8, you have to follow the same rule. Copy it down. Now 100, 27 minus 8, you will get 19. Hence, we got the answer. Okay, let us take one more problem related carryover, but we will try from left to right. So 4 5 6 minus 3 7 4. 400 minus 300 is 100. And because 56 is lesser than the 74, so we will copy 56 minus 74. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. And hence the answer. Again, one more last example now. 4 4 3 minus 3 2 7. 400 minus 300 will get 100. 40 minus 20 will get 20. And 3 and 7 we can copy here. 3 7 because there is carryover problem. And 100. 23 minus 7 is 16. And hence it is very easy to subtract from left to right also without the problem of carryover, and your mind will feel free while subtracting or either adding. So this type of interesting topics I will be bringing in the next Saturdays also. So till then, keep practicing, keep learning and keep enjoying on Saturdays. Bye.